Hi friends, this is Murali here. Welcome to my channel Learn Chinese with Murali. Today we are going to learn some interesting word which is how to say you're welcome. Whenever somebody say you thank you in Chinese, it is xie xie, which is we have to tell them you're welcome, right? So how to say that? Let us learn this now. Before going ahead, don't forget to subscribe the channel and press the bell button to get the updates whenever a new video uploaded by me. Now, how to say you are welcome? The Chinese word is pu kèqì. Pu kèqì. It is a phrase basically which is being used, and it is very interesting to learn. Whenever you use this word, people get admired seeing your Chinese. It is interesting, right? So pu kèqì. Pu kèqì. See, first of all, let us learn how to write. 1, 2, 3, 4. Pu kè qì. All three are falling tones. Pu kèqì. So whenever somebody says you thank you, you can immediately say pu kèqì. No problem. You're welcome. So there's a meaning. So this example is simple. Is like whenever you want to say don't mention it, you're welcome, in response to thank you in Chinese, then you just say pu kèqì. Very simple but very interesting and a useful word to show your Chinese before native people. So today you learned about how to respond whenever somebody say thank you in Chinese. Also, you know the word. You have to practice the word so that you can send the messages in Chinese. I will give you another separate video to show you how to type these words in Chinese, but you have to practice the stroke order so that you can identify these things. So you have to learn that well. Thank you very much for watching the video. If you like the video, don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe and share this video with your friends on WhatsApp and other social media pages. Follow me on Twitter, LinkedIn, Facebook and Weibo to keep updated and learn new Chinese vocabulary every day. Comment below new sentences or new uses of this word, new ideas which will teach the other people coming here in this video and watch this video, and comments. Give your feedback how to improve this channel so that we will improve ourselves with each and every video we do. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to ask in the comment section. I will try to answer you as soon as possible. Thank you very much. See you again with a new word next time. Bye bye.